Welcome, today in front of me Poco M5s, and I'll show you how to switch on or switch off screen touches screen recording on this device. So first we should open the notification panel shortcuts, and here somewhere we should find screen recorder icon. Hold it for a while, and now we can see here screen recorder settings. Scroll a little bit down and we can see here show touch gestures and show button taps. So if you wanna use them, you should just click on this to switch or just to activate it. You can use this to features separately, sure. And if you want to turn it off, we should click on the switchers once again. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.